TVJ news exclusive into supermarket operations prompts response from health officials. Fresh concerns over COVID-19 spread in the second city, Montego Bay. And opposition demands update on COVID new strain tests.
Good evening, welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
Our question this evening, or rather we're asking this evening, for you to share with us some of your New Year's resolutions.
And you can do so on facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought to you